Dr. Jackson has brought us some supplies for doing rapid coronavirus testing, and I'll tell you, he's a hero for us because we used our last one 15 minutes ago. This is, I mean, this is incredible that we get this. I mean, we'd asked, through all the channels to try to get some testing equipment. We've been waiting and waiting and waiting. We got a very tiny supply from Austin on Monday. We've already used it up here 3 days later. And we're seeing an explosion of cases. We're seeing a lot of people with respiratory disease. And so this is, I can't tell you how much we appreciate getting this supply, particularly right at this time.
So tell us, how important is it for y'all to begin this right now?
Well, I mean, again, we have a lot of people coming in with respiratory illnesses that we need to know whether or not they're coronavirus. Some of them are, but most of them are still not. We just used our last kit here just 15 minutes ago on a woman who's going to be volunteering to be a plasma donor. We urgently need plasma donors. We identified her earlier in the week on our serology blood testing as a potential donor, and we had to prove that she was still negative so that she could donate soon. Because they have people critically ill in the hospital that need donations, and so we wanted to do her as quickly as possible. So we got her test done here this morning.
So the test kits you guys are getting, what are they? What kind of tests are y'all getting?
These are the nasal swab type tests that look for the actual molecular parts of the virus. And so we get the nasal swab, we put it into a little machine, and we can show you the machines here in a second, and that we get a result within 5 to 10 minutes.
That's awesome. I know, I guess Amarillo got kind of looked over when it came to the test. What does it mean to have Dr. Jackson go all the way up there and bring them?
Yeah, I mean, that's super. I mean, to go all the way to Washington and then to talk to the people that can help us get the supplies that we really need, and then to get them here to us in our hands, using them, man, that's incredible. That's just so incredible. And physically drove them here from Washington, I guess, in your truck.
2 days.
That's personal 2-day delivery from Washington D.C. I mean, that's really prime. So,
how nice is it having someone with a little pull that can help Amarillo out?
Yeah, I mean, I think that's important for Amarillo to have somebody that has those kind of contacts already built in. We really appreciate that and going to bat for us. I mean, I can't tell you how much that means to us.